Severe weather information.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1 a.m. At 11:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fond du Lac to near Waupun to near Princeton, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include West Bend, Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Waupun, Jackson, Mayville, Slinger, Kewaskum, Horicon, Juneau, Germantown, Lomira, Theresa, Hustisford, Iron Ridge, Burnett, Richfield, Addison, and Ashapon. This includes the following location: Horicon Marsh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.